Something else that is important in the second paragraph is the very last sentence. If payment or reward for living donors can be made legitimate and ethically consistent with other accepted medical practices, exploitation can be prevented and both donors and recipients can be treated equitably. Sort of this if-then, even though she doesn't use the term then. Anytime somebody starts with that if type of a statement, you should be thinking, there might be some logos coming here. And she is starting to lay the groundwork here for her logical argument. This is what she's going to be putting forth, is that she's going to say, okay, I'm going to show how paying for living organ donation is similar to or equal to other legitimate medical practices, legitimate accepted medical practices. And she's going to make that equation and say how these things are based on the same principle, or they have the same type of risks involved, but she's going to show how they're equal. Once she can show how these two things are equal, and that we already accept A, and B is the living organ donation payment, and if she can show that A and B are equal, then you need to accept that we should be paying for a living organ donation. Very logical, right? Perfectly Aristotelian. So she's starting to lay the groundwork here at the bottom of her second paragraph.